Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is George Aguilar, and today I got a multiple USB charging adapter from POWERADD. One of the things we're gonna check out is we're gonna do an unbox and check it out, see how it looks. All right, guys, so right here we got the POWERADD, but one of the most important things we're gonna see about this is the type of amps we're gonna get out of this. So one of the entrances it has is a Type-C, and then we got USB entrances. We got 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts, 3 amps, 12 volts, 2.5 amps, 15 volts, 2 amps, and 20 volts, 1.5 amps. So this is a wide range. It's gonna cover all your things you're gonna have to connect to this, and you're gonna avoid having a bunch of chargers connected to your wall. Just one of these little things that looks really nice. POWERADD, and what you're gonna see right here is we got a Type-C entrance and 3 USB ones. This is Quick Charge 3.0, so that's really cool to have. All your new Android phones gonna have the technology, so it's gonna charge at top speed with no problems. Other things we're gonna find right here, we got your standard plug. You can find these plugs in monitors or other lamps, so they're not hard to find, just in case you need a longer one, but it looks all right. I think it's 1 meter long. And one thing that's highly appreciated that comes with this is a Type-C cable. This is not normal that they add one of these, so it's pretty cool they have. It's Type-C to Type-C. This connects right here, and it's that easy. It's cool, it's nice, black and white, brand POWERADD. Alright, so this is the POWERADD. One of the coolest things, like I said, it has 3 entrances and 1 Type-C. That's gonna avoid having a bunch of stuff connected to your wall. One of the downsides I see about this is the type of connection we have to your wall, which is one of these. I mean, it could be a downside or a plus side. It just depends on you, because I connect this and I can have this in my drawer or on beside my bed. The other thing, the downside I see, is you gotta carry both of them or connect it just like this, instead of having the type that you just connect this straight out to the wall and use it. That's the downside I see. But I mean, it could be a down or an up, just depends on you, what you need it for. So like I said, this is a POWERADD. If you need one of these, I'm gonna leave the link in the description. I hope you liked this video, because I did. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or doubts about this product, leave a comment here in the description, and I'll see you guys later.